This is a Bentley Continental GT. The kind of car you imagine James Bond stepping out of. A symbol of class, luxury and success. Except this one, well, let me just say, it has seen better days.
Have I made the biggest mistake buying this Bentley Continental GT? I thought it was a good idea to buy one. I've always dreamt of owning a Bond-style garage, fleet of luxury cars, Aston Martins, Bentleys. But let's be real, I'm not Jeff Bezos. So when this Bentley popped up for the price it did, I pounced. My own taste of Bond lifestyle, or so I thought. Nothing has to be said. Now you know why it was cheap. And here's where it takes the mick. Taking this to Bentley for a simple service costs more than some people's monthly rent. Don't even get me started on parts. £1,200 for brakes, taking the mick. £500 oil change, behave. That's not luxury, that is financial torture. Instead of selling it, moaning about it, or taking a mortgage, I've decided to do something stupid. I'm gonna fix it myself, and I'm gonna bring you guys along the journey with me.
I've never worked on a Bentley before, and honestly, I've barely worked on a car before.
Let's go.
This is gonna be a journey, learning mechanics, saving money, and transforming this tired Grand Tourer into something extraordinary. I started this channel because, like so many of us, I don't have everything figured out. None of us really do, but that's okay. I just want to inspire you to chase things that you enjoy, whatever that might be, and maybe find a way to make a living doing it. So here I am, heading out into the world with no plan, just like I always have, taking chances, trying things, and seeing where it all leads. Because at the end of the day, it's about the journey. That's all we really have.
I don't just want a Bentley. I want my very own Batmobile. Wide body kit, gadgets, a full body wrap for my very own Batmobile. Over the next few episodes, I'm gonna learn how to service it. Then I'm gonna tackle all the broken bits and give it a complete makeover, full superhero treatment. But first, I need to figure out how to change the oil without blowing up the Bentley engine. Wish me luck. In the comment section below, let me know what you think I should start first on this Bentley Batmobile rebuild. Also, if you know anything about Bentley engines, please share some knowledge down in the comment section. That would be very helpful. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button down below, leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video.